What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? Welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about that HYMC. That's right, Hycroft Mining, and I got some exciting information for you in today's video. Make sure you smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. Okay, so on Friday, you can see we ended the day about 7.5% down. We're down to $2.13. Let's go take a look at the premium Fintel information and take a look at the short interest to see what is going on with the shorts. As you can see, Fintel is showing our short squeeze score at a 92.75. We are ranked 54 out of almost 5,600 stocks. Gamma squeeze score is a 99.48. We are ranked number 11 out of 367 stocks. So looks like it's setting up pretty beautifully here. Short shares that are available at a leading prime brokerage is 1.5 million. Go ahead and look at the short bar fee. 79.74% is the latest, and it was anywhere from 91.66% fee as the max. So it is still very expensive to borrow or short this stock, which is good to see. Fender short volume ratio on the first was a 43.37. Aggregate short volume ratio is a 44.76. So that's what I wanted to show you there. Also, we're going to go into this interview the CEO of Hycroft, Diane Garrett, and Tara Bull here retweeted this here on Twitter, and I wanted to show this because I don't know how I missed this, but the interview we're going to watch, you're going to see it, and I want to show you this before. She's wearing like the moon emoji rocket ship pin during the interview. That is just strictly like a boss move. I'm not going to lie. So we're going to watch that video. We're going to comments, and I actually have a spreadsheet made up of some of the numbers she goes over in that video. So let's get to this video here. And here we go. Make sure I get my volume up for you guys so we can hear it nice and clear.
Hi, I'm Diane Garrett, CEO of Hycroft Mining. We recently...
So as you see right there, there is the rocket ship right on the pin of the jacket. So it is, guys, on there. And this is right on Hycroft Mining YouTube channel, 106 subscribers, so make sure you go subscribe to this.
We filed our 10K, and I'm here to report on our activities and results from the year ended December 31st, 2021. I first want to say to all of the longstanding shareholders of Hycroft, thank you for your support. We truly appreciate it. And for those of you who are new shareholders to Hycroft, welcome to the Hycroft family. You are now owners of one of the leading precious metals deposits in North America in a great mining jurisdiction, Nevada, USA. The last few weeks have been very exciting. We raised $56 million in a private placement with renowned leading precious metals investor Eric Sprott and AMC Entertainment. That allowed us also to do a follow-on at-the-market equity offering of $138 million. And this combined $194 million has allowed us to shift our focus not from liquidity and balance sheet, but to this world-class asset and allow us to do what we need to do to transform Hycroft into the next phase of a world-class mining operation. As we work to develop the Hycroft mine into large-scale commercial production, one of the things we need to focus on initially is to continue our work of our technical studies that we started in 2021. But before I go into how we're going to do that, I'd like to also first recap our events of 2021. First of all, safety is number one in mining. It is the most important thing we focus on each and every day. And when this management team came into place...
All right, so first I just want to pause here for a second and say, man, she just has a presence about her, man. Like, you could tell, like, she knows what she's talking about. She's very intelligent. She's in charge. And this is what we want to see from, like, the CEO of our company. Now, this is the legit YouTube channel. I was on her Twitter account and she shared this video. So if you go on Diane Garrett's official Twitter, she has this video, you click it, it takes you to this YouTube. So this isn't someone just starting up this YouTube trying to do this. This is the legit YouTube they're going to start putting out videos on along with Diane Garrett's Twitter account.
18 months ago, we hit the ground running and we dramatically improved not only the safety culture, but significantly reduced the safety incidents at site by over 80%. Our total recordable injury frequency rate, or what we call TRIFR in the industry, stood at the end of the year at 0.64, well below industry average. And at the end of February, we further reduced that to 0.31. So we're very excited about our safety record at the Hycroft mine. Also in 2021, we produced 58,000 ounces of gold, which exceeded our production guidance of 45 to 55,000 ounces for the year.
So there, real quick, I want to go back to that gold chart. And what I did was I went onto Google, guys, and I wanted to show you what I did here for this chart. So we're going to go here, average price of gold. And down here you can see at the macro trends, it gives you average price for 2021 right here. $1,798.89. Now, I went in here and made a spreadsheet. Now, I did round it up a little bit because I just did $1,800 to dollars. Some isn't really going to make a big difference. And you can see gold at 58,000 units, as shown here in this video, 58,000 ounces, at around $1,800 per ounce is $104 million. So let's keep going here in the video, and you're going to see the silver, which you just saw.
We did our production guidance of 45 to 55,000 ounces for the year. We also produced 355,000.
So there you can see in this here, she says they produced 355,000 ounces of silver. So I went over here to Google, and it says the average 2021 average closing price is $25.14. Now, that's here for year 2021. So if we go over here then to the spreadsheet, silver, they did 355,000 ounces, which it shows right there. And we do it by the $25.14. They made about 8.9 million. So there you go. The MMOs made about 113 million roughly on the gold and silver alone. So, I mean, if we go back here and look, the market cap's 425 million as it sets right now. Now, that's just saying what they did in 21, guys. That's not saying what they're going to do here in 22. Now, she does give the projected results for 2022 in here as well. I didn't make up a spreadsheet for it, but we can do it real quick here on the phone and get a quick math.
Ounces of silver, which did fall short of our expected guidance due to lower than expected leach kinetics coming off the pad. However, we are still continuing to recover gold and silver from the leach pads of the prior operation. Hycroft has a very long history of mining dating back to the 1980s, where it's produced over 2 million ounces of gold and over 7.5 million ounces of silver. But the time has come for us to take Hycroft and transform it into this large-scale operation for processing the sulfides through a mill. And we're going.
So after we get some more numbers during more of the earnings call, maybe they'll say how many they produced. It'll be in the earnings call. We can go over that in future videos. But it was nice to see the whole year 21 what they did. And I think 22 is going to move a lot bigger numbers than that, because now they have the money, they have the financing to get those reserves out of the ground, and they have that. It's all, you know, it's there ready to go. They just had to get the money to do it, and now they got that with the AMC deal. So this is very awesome, and Eric Sprott. So I'm super excited. I'm a shareholder. I hold shares. I've been buying call options out in January of 2023. So we have to see how those will go, but we can talk about that in a future video.
To be completing our technical studies that we started in 2021 throughout the balance of this year and early into next year. The other thing that we're going to be focusing on is exploration. Because look, we all know what Hycroft is. It is a world-class scale deposit of gold and silver. But what we don't know is, what can Hycroft be? Our land position is larger than Manhattan. And yet, our resource, as large as it currently is, represents only 2% of that land position. So we're very excited about the growth of the Hycroft deposit. We know that our mineralization remains open in all directions and in depth, so we look forward to continued drilling and expanding the known resource. But we've also been very intrigued by what we identified last year, which are some very higher grade areas of Hycroft, which go to the margins and the economics and the value that we can deliver through this deposit. So we look forward to a robust exploration program throughout 2022 and beyond. With supportive shareholders, a strong cash position, and a world-class asset on which to build upon, our future is golden. And I want to say that on behalf of the board, on behalf of all of our shareholders and this management team, I want to say thank you to the dedication and the loyalty of our team at the Hycroft mine. Your attention to safety and the exemplary record that you've set, including your hard work and dedication, is very important to the company and certainly is helping deliver value every day for our shareholders, so thank you. We look forward to keeping you up to date on Hycroft's progress and the activities we have planned for 2022 and beyond. And you can find these updates and information on our website and through social media. In the meantime, we thank you for your interest in Hycroft.
Real quick, I love the zoom in there of the rocket emoji pin on her business suit. I mean, she's in business suit attire. She got the rocket emoji on. That is just like, you could tell, man, she's going to be for the retail investor. I love it. I mean, you know what I mean? Getting an AMC deal. We know what AMC went through. They pulled through to the retail investor. And that's exactly what's going to happen here at Hycroft, man. That's why I call this little brother to AMC, because this is going to be a sympathy play running similar to AMC. But this actually has like the reserves in the ground. It has the gold and silver. What if they find some other stuff for possible EV, EV possibilities down there while they're searching as well? That can make this really explode.
And your support of our team and this company.
And there you go. So that is what I got for you guys. As you can see, there's the chart again, going over what they did in 2021. I'll be excited to see what we get here in 2022. At this price, I mean, I'm happy. I was buying this back actually I think the first time I put out a buy alert on my YouTube channel on this was like $1.30. I'm gonna say $1.36 or $1.35 or something like that. So yeah, we're doing good. That's what we're gonna do in this, man. We're gonna look to buy it. We have a position. Here's my breakdown on this. We have a position long term that you just buy it and you accumulate a little bit each time and you let that set for the long term. Then I have a position that's trading. That means when this thing spikes up, we'll sell some out and then rebuy back on the dip on that. So position long term, and we got a position for trading. So I think there will be wild swings in this, so we're going to take advantage of those swings. And on the profits, I'm looking to buy the long call options with that. That's what I'm looking to do. Those January 21st, 2023, they're like $135. That seems like a pretty good deal right now to get a call option between now and through January 21st that this thing won't moon up and those call options could do something. So we'll see if the market sentiment changes, and I have high hopes on this. I mean, in my opinion, I think this could go $5, $10, $15 in my personal opinion, just on the retail hype alone and excitement. If there's any further press releases or deals down the road, it's going to do great. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.